Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you for asking. And where are you phoning me from?
I am from India.
Lovely. And how do you say your name? Is it Sahiba?
Sahiba, yes. What's your name?
Nice. I'm Sarah, and yeah, lovely to meet you. My name is Sarah.
Mm-hmm. Nice to meet you.
Awesome. Nice to meet you. So how can I help you today? Would you just like to have a chat, or what brings you to Cambly?
Sorry? Speak again.
I was saying, what brings you to Cambly? Are you do you have specific goals in mind with regards to your English journey, or what are you passionate about?
Actually, I joined the Cambly 2 weeks ago. So I am practicing spoken English. For spoken English, yeah.
That's brilliant.
So you ask me small questions and I will try to answer your questions.
Okay, brilliant. So were you born, are you living and were you born in India?
Yes, I born in India.
And what area are you from?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay. And what is the landscape like there? Is it quite tropical or more dry?
Yeah, tropical.
Oh, beautiful. Lovely.
Yeah. Yes. So where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa originally.
Uh-huh.
But I am currently living in England, United Kingdom.
Oh, so why you are staying in England?
Yeah. So basically, I work here as a social care worker, which means that I look after an elderly person, usually one person, in their home, and I work for about 2 or 3 months at a time, and basically just assist my clients with their everyday lives. And I've been doing this for almost 2 years now. So I work for about, as I say, 2, 3, sometimes 4 months, and then I go home for a short holiday and to see my family, and then I come back to work, and I do that kind of in a routine. Yeah.
Okay. So I heard about South Africa. There are a lot of animals. Yeah.
Yes, it's beautiful. It's a very big country, I'm sure, as you've heard, and there are beautiful national parks.
Yes.
There's a few of them, and they have various different wild animals that there, which is amazing. But even aside from the national parks themselves, we have quite a wild. Lots of animal life. It's quite abundant, one way or another. So we're very blessed in that regard, definitely.
Yeah. So have you heard about Kashmir?
I haven't, no, but I was talking to someone from South India the other night, and he was telling me about how I think it's the East Coast, is more tropical, and it's really beautiful in the monsoon season with lots of rain.
Yeah.
So are you in the eastern part?
No, northern.
Northern. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Okay, lovely. And he told me about this place called the Mysore Palace. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a palace in the north of India that was built over 100 years ago, and then there was a fire or something, and they rebuilt it, but the north is quite well known for its palaces and history.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So,
Lovely.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. Continue.
So, you are married? Maybe.
I'm not married, no. I haven't got I haven't got marriage on the mind. It's quite it's difficult because I work, you know, and I'm traveling all the time to think of sort of settling. But obviously I hope to marry one day. For the moment, I'm sort of doing, you know, my own thing and kind of just, just enjoying my life, basically.
Mm-hmm.
And you?
Yeah, I'm single. Yes,
You're
I
single,
am
okay.
17 years old.
Lovely.
Yeah.
How old? 30?
Sorry?
You said, how old are you? Sorry, I missed that.
I am 17 years old. 17.
Okay, lovely. Yes.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So are you still at school or have you started your studies?
Yes, I'm student. I am studying in 12th grade in high school.
Okay, so you're in your final year of high school.
Yes. This is a final
Okay,
year.
wonderful.
Yeah.
And do you have in mind anything you want to do when you finish? Do you want to study or do you want to take a break and travel?
After oh yeah, next year. Yes. Next year I will go to college.
Okay. And
Yes.
what are you going to study? What do you have in mind?
Sorry?
What do you have in mind to study at college?
Yeah, I studying in college related to Islam. I do Islamic study. Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So it's sort of I don't want to say religious studies, but it would be known, I think, as like in the Western culture we call it like theism. Theism. It's like theism studies, sort of studying going more in depth into your religious practice, basically.
Yes, religious practice.
Okay, wonderful. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're excited to finish school. I remember I was very excited to finish my final year at school.
Okay, so how old are you?
I am 26 years old, but I turned 27 on the 1st of July. So it's almost my birthday, kind of, sort of. Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were married.
No. Goodness, I almost won. But no, I've never been married. And I don't feel, you know, a lot of my friends are married and they have children already. But like I'm there yet, you know. I think that, you know, it's very lucky for people who have found, you know, their husband or wife at a young age. But it was like that, you know, but it's different now in a way. I find it's not quite the same. I don't feel my age, you know. I still feel like 1 years old, and I've got lots of things to do before I can settle down. So yeah.
So do you have sibling?
I do, yes. I've got an older brother. He's 8 years older than me. And I've got a younger sister who's 3.5 years younger.
Oh.
So I'm the middle one.
Oh, yeah. Me too. I'm youngest.
Oh, you do? Oh,
I have.
exactly. That's beautiful.
Okay, time is over.
Oh,
Okay,
I
bye
think we
bye.
have